What comes with your Digitize Kit once you order one from the Digitize Center? Well, we make it real simple to digitize your home movies, memories, film, tape, whatever. We start by sending you this Digitize Kit here, and when you open it, there'll be some things inside to help you get started. The first thing you want to look at is your welcome guide here. This little booklet will walk you through the entire process and give you helpful tips on how to gather your memories, pack them up, and to put them in the Digitize Kit safely in preparation for shipment to us. So you can use this little welcome guide to read the instructions, figure out how the whole process works, and in addition, inside this welcome guide will be a shipping label that you must use to send it back. Now it's important you use that shipping label because we use a special shipping service to get the memories back to us, and that way we can track it every step of the way to make sure it is safe. Also inside your Digitize Kit will be a customer card. Now in this customer card, it's very simple. We ask that you fill it out with your basic information, and that just helps us track your order when it receives and to get in touch with you if we need to. And we also ask that you kind of estimate how many items you're going to be sending us and of the different types. On the back of the customer card is the upgrades form. Now fill this side out if you have any upgrades you want to add to your order, and we offer a few different upgrades that you may find useful. One is signing up for digital memory backup, which stores your memories in the cloud and keeps them forever safe from loss, damage, or any type of disaster. Another one is upgrading your processing time, so you can upgrade your processing time to get your order completed in as little as 48 hours if you need it in a hurry. And then we also offer our Eclipse AI enhancement, and what that does is offer video and photo enhancement using our exclusive Eclipse AI technology to really bring the quality of your old videos and photos to life. I mean, the Eclipse AI stuff is really incredible what it can do. It'll take your old VHS tape that was shot in 480p resolution, and we will enhance that all the way up to 1080p resolution, making it look like something out of science fiction, really. It's unbelievable. And at the bottom of the back of the upgrades form on the customer card is a little section where you can write us some notes if there's anything you think we should know. The last thing that may be included with your Digitize Kit is some packing material to help you safely pack it up and send your memories back to us.